Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. We have new clearance markdowns, penny list info, plus huge DG news. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that last week we had a lot of new clearance markdowns, a lot of new categories joining our clearance markdowns. So if you missed those videos, make sure that you go back and check them out. We are going to be talking about a couple of quick updates. I do have some new visuals to share with you all. I also want to remind you all that last week we had tons and tons and tons of surprise penny items. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump in with a couple of quick updates from last week's clearance markdowns. Now, I'm not quite sure how I missed this one, but we do have Decalomania decals. Those are currently sitting at 25% off. I do have visuals for you all, so make sure that you stay tuned, but I wanted to go ahead and let you all know that in this video. These are basically the ones that you stick on your car, and then also the larger ones that you can stick on your walls. So be on the lookout for those. Also, last week we had white dot apparel go down to 50% off, and I told you all in last week's video I had to do a little digging to find some pictures, but I did find those items. They are still in the store. So what you want to be on the lookout for are the Bebe or BB BEBE brand. There's sweatpants, there's sweatshirts, there's little hoodies, all kinds of different items. You guys will see here in just a second that they do have a white dot on the tag, and a lot of these are priced at $15. So right now that means they're $7.50. I will tell you all that I could not find these at all of my stores. In fact, 1 out of 4 had these items. Now also, you guys are going to see a couple of UPC codes here in just a second, but keep in mind that there are a lot of different UPC codes. There's different sizes, there's different patterns of these items. So if you're ever in doubt, scan, but as you all can see, they do have a white dot on the price tag. Alright, next up, in last week's video we talked about picture frames. Now there are all different sizes, shapes, colors included in this category. Again, this was another category where I told y'all I had to do a little digging. As far as I can tell, all of these are 50% off now at all stores. Of course, always scan to double check, but I went into the store to try to find you all some visuals, because unfortunately with the UPCs, they're just not pulling up any pictures in the app. So here's what I found so far, and as I find more, I will keep you all updated. And of course, if you all find any picture frames that are 50% off that are included in this category, you can always send them in to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can reach out to me over on Instagram. Now, one thing that I did notice that might help us all out just a little bit in finding these picture frames is that there's a difference in the packaging. So if you guys will notice, the one pictured here on the left, those are currently sitting at 50% off. However, the ones pictured on the right are still full price. And if you guys will notice, the packaging is different. They do have that white cardboard wrapped around the picture frame. So if you do go out looking for picture frames, hopefully that will save you a little bit of time. I would definitely scan the ones without the cardboard first to see if they are included. Alright guys, now let's move on into our new clearance markdowns for this week that will start on Tuesday, February the 20th. Up first, we have a brand new category of camping items dropping down to 50% off. Now, I'm not quite sure what all is included in this category, but you know me, I'll get out there and do some digging, and I will update you all ASAP. Purple Square gift sets dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now, you guys, let me know down in the comment section, what are your stores looking like as far as the gift sets go? I know at a couple of mine, it's pretty much slim pickings at this point. They have moved them over onto an end cap. So I'm really curious to hear what your stores are looking like. Now, up next, we have Valentine's Day candy dropping down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, February the 20th. This will include all of our holiday candy, Valentine's, and the Christmas carryover candy. So here's just a couple of quick little video clips for you all. I do see some penny items in these clips, so let me know if you spot them as well down in the comment section. And here's a list of the Christmas carryover candy with the UPC codes if you need them. Up next, we have our Valentine's Day party supplies going down to 70% off, again starting on Tuesday, February the 20th. So here are all of the items that I found at my stores. There may be some different varieties out there, but look high, look low, look everywhere you go. And if you're ever in doubt, scan, scan, scan. All right, up next we have our Valentine's Day socks going down to 70% off. Now in this picture that I saved from the ad, they have 4 different patterns. I was able to find 3 at my stores. So y'all just look high, look low, look everywhere you go, because these will be 30 cents starting on Tuesday. Now in keeping with our Valentine's Day categories, we also have our Valentine's seasonal category dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. This will include all of our Valentine's Day plush, our home decor, cups and mugs, crafts, and Valentine's Day cards. Now let's talk about the penny list for this week at Dollar General. Unfortunately, we do not have a new penny list for DG so far. Now, things can happen, things can change, so make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on and make sure that they are set to all, and if anything happens, you guys will be the first to know. Now, we also have a DG sales event going on right now, and I did make a post about this in the community tab yesterday, but I know that a lot of people do not see those posts. So, right now at DG, we have a sale on our brown dot home decor. They are 50% off, but this sale does end today on Sunday, February the 18th. Now, next up, we have several sales that will run through February the 22nd. So here we have a bath sales event. These are going to be buy one, get one half off. It does include the towels, washcloths, bath accessories, tub mats, shower curtains, rods, hooks, and liners. Next, we have another buy one, get one 50% off sale on the clocks, lamps, and mirrors. Then we have a buy one, get one free sale on our dinnerware and kitchen organization items. This sale does include the kitchen canisters, organization, flatware, and dinnerware, but it excludes the dot items. All right, guys, now last but certainly not least, let's talk about the huge Dollar General news. This is super, super exciting. Our first clearance event of 2024 has been scheduled. It has been confirmed. The dates are set. It is going to start on Friday, March the 1st and run through Sunday, March the 3rd. So if you guys have been with me for any length of time, you know I go all out for these DG clearance events. We're going to have tons of videos, tons of visuals, coupon matchups, rebates, the whole 9 yards. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on and make sure that they are set to all, because I'm going to start working on this ASAP. And if you're new here and you have no idea what a DG clearance event is, I have the perfect video for you. In that video, I go over everything that you need to know about DG clearance events, pro tips included. So make sure that you go and check out that video. I will have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.